In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues from Excel to Jira. Let's dive right in and make sure your project management is seamless and efficient. To start, let's focus on preparing your Excel file, which is a crucial step in this process. The organization and data accuracy in your Excel sheet will directly impact the success of your import into Jira. It's important to ensure that your Excel sheet includes key columns necessary for proper mapping. These columns should include summary, issue type, project key, description, priority, assignee, and labels. This setup helps Jira recognize and categorize your issues correctly once they are imported. Take the time to double-check that all these columns are formatted correctly before moving on. Next, head over to your Jira project. Locate the Issues tab at the top of your screen and click on it. We're getting closer to the import process now. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on them will present several options. From these, select Import Issues from CSV. Keep in mind that this is the format Jira requires for importing data, so if your file is still in Excel format, you'll need to convert it to a CSV file first. With the import option selected, you'll see a button that says Choose File. Click on it to browse your computer and locate your CSV file. Be sure that you've selected the correct file, and once ready, hit Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select where you want to import the project. It's an essential step to ensure your issues arrive in the correct scope within your Jira workspace. After making your selection, click Next again. Now, Jira will take you to a crucial part of the import process, mapping CSV fields to Jira fields. This step is important, as you need to ensure each column in your CSV matches the corresponding Jira fields. For example, the column titled Summary should align with the summary field in Jira. Once you've meticulously mapped all your fields, click Next, where you will see a review of the field mappings. Look over everything carefully to confirm that all fields are matched correctly. Doing so will prevent any issues during the import. After verifying the mappings, hit Begin Import. Jira will take a few moments to process the data, and if everything is in order, you'll receive a success message. However, if errors are detected, Jira will provide details on them. If so, go back to your CSV file, make the necessary corrections, and attempt the import again. Lastly, once the import is confirmed successful, navigate back to your Jira project to verify that all issues have been imported correctly. You can now manage them as part of your workflow, having successfully transferred your data from Excel to Jira. This ensures accuracy and continuity in your project management processes. Happy managing!